that true that like the longer your noodles are, the longer that you live?
I can tell that you can live until you are 146 years old.
46? Oh my
146,
goodness.
yeah.
In this video, we'll explore the heart of Chinese-Vietnamese cuisine in the biggest Chinatown in Saigon, Vietnam, called Cho Lon. Follow the steps of the local. I will show you some of the hidden gems around the city.
It is very, very fresh.
I love it.
Experience the unique holistic healing practice and meet some of the most hardworking people. Don't forget to stay until the end to discover my new favorite dessert.
Xin chào!
Lê Hổ.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest. His name is Khoi and he's the co-founder of Hum Travel. So you are Chinese-Vietnamese, right?
Yeah.
And I see a market over there. So can you tell me a little bit more about like people's activities here in the morning?
Similar to a Vietnamese wet market, you will see a lot of women's grandmas and moms that would go and visit for the fresh brochure of the day. But here you will find something more. They add a little bit of Chinese touches to it. Like for example, you find roasted ducks, you find herbs, all of the ingredients to make Cantonese meal.
Yes, and today we're at the Ha Ton Quyên food street and Khoi is gonna introduce me to the first Chinese-Vietnamese dish and I'm very curious to know more about it. All right, let's go.
The first iconic Chinese-Vietnamese dish is mì hoành thánh, wonton noodle soup featuring handmade noodles and pork dumplings all served in a light, flavorful pork bone broth. But before we get into it, I want to shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Surfshark VPN.
If you don't know what VPN is a virtual private network that helps protect yourself online. I remember searching for what to do in Cho Lon area in Ho Chi Minh City to do this video. There were a lot of unwanted ads popped up on my computer. That's why I need to turn on the VPN to block ads, trackers, and malware so that I'm not gonna waste time and can directly find the information that you need. So now you have the video to watch. If you do online research while you travel, Surfshark VPN even creates an alternative email and online registration for you to make sure that your personal information is safe. It also keeps your online activities from third parties snooping around and collecting your data. What I love the most about Surfshark is that it offers unlimited simultaneous connections with different devices. Plus, they have 30-day money-back guarantee. How awesome is that? Go to surfshark.com/pho for 4 extra months of Surfshark. And now, let's go eat the noodles.
The best food is always made from scratch. We visited a shop with nearly a century of history. Famous for their handmade noodles, they produce 100 pounds of fresh noodles daily.
Okay, so Khoi, can you tell me about the process of making noodles?
This noodles consists of flour and duck eggs. I would say duck eggs obviously has more flavors. This would add an extra layer into the broth or to the soup, but it also comes with a price. But then I think that's make the dish very unique. As you can tell that when we are here, it's a bit hot.
Yes.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm sweating. Because if we turn on the fan, it's gonna make the noodle dry and hard. We call it fresh noodles, which technically we have to consume everything within 3 days. Not only noodles, it is very similar to the Italian pasta. It's gonna be in different shapes, and according to different shapes, it has different name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Same noodles, but with a little twist in shape and ingredients, and just like that, we got a brand new dish called sui gao. It's also a must-try when you come to this spot.
So here, she got minced pork with ear mushroom. The secret ingredient, but now it's not so secret since I'm gonna say it.
Yes, because
It
we're gonna
is-
post it on YouTube.
Yeah. It is fish paste.
Okay.
So the difference between a wonton and a soi gao, in the soi gao, they're gonna put fresh shrimp, which I love. The shrimp is a bit transparent. It tastes like jello.
Yes.
Oh, it's to die for. So I would say that this is my favorite, kind of like dumplings, something you're familiar, but just different variation.
Now, let the feast begin. First, we're gonna try the signature wonton noodle soup. Next, we'll have sui gao chien, deep-fried dumplings. The beautiful hand-grabbed sui gao drop into sizzling hot oil until golden brown. The entire spread of food here is only for under $10 US, an absolute bargain for such incredible food.
Okay, let's eat.
Let's go. Hey, I'm so hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Yeah.
Cheers.
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 And then the sweet and sour sauce.
Wow. It's very crunchy outside. It's soft inside. I can taste like the bounciness from the fish paste that you said, and then like the crunchiness from the shrimp. It is very, very fresh.
I love it. You cannot really go wrong with the frying stuff. The freshness play a very important part in this dish because if you got, something off in the shrimp, you can tell immediately.
And what I love the most about this restaurant is that like if you order, is that like the noodles, they give you si quack for free, right?
Yes. It's like the bones, usually an overlooked part, but some of it tastes, so good. And it's got the marrow. And usually it's like a little treasure that you have to hunt for it. As a local, we would come to places that has a lot of si quack because that is a very good indication that that place do not add any MSG into the soup. 100% from bones.
So that's good. You have a local tip right there. The more si quack they have, the more local the restaurant it is.
Legit.
Okay, I'm just gonna try the si quack. Ooh.
You have to.
It might not look elegant, but
No.
it tastes really, really good.
Yeah,
and
not
I
at
feel
all.
like it's gonna be so hard to eat this with chopsticks. So I'm just gonna use my hands.
Exactly. And then it's so hard to eat it with your boyfriend, so.
It's gonna be fun if like it's a first date. And it's a competition of like how many si quack you
No,
can eat.
not recommended.
I really like the Chinese noodles because they have all the ingredients in here. They have protein, they have fiber, they have a little like the fried fat from the pork. I think it just adds a very special hint for the dish. It's not too strong. Yeah, it's very sweet and then so yummy.
Yeah,
Is that true that like the longer your noodles are, the longer that you live?
Oh,
According to Chinese culture?
I'm not sure. But if that is true, I would live a very short life. I don't like.
Let's see whose noodles are longer. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, mine's so long.
It's so long. I can tell that you can live until you are 146 years old.
46. Oh my goodness.
146, yeah.
Okay,
Give me
let's
that.
eat.
Okay.
Wow.
Sure.
Unlike all the noodles that I had, these noodles are very fresh.
Yeah.
It's also soft,
Yeah.
a little bit chewy, but it's not dry at all.
Yeah.
It's very good quality.
But then the point is, when I come to this shop alone, usually people just order a bowl.
Yeah.
But then I'm so glad that today I come with you, so I have to try all of the different
Everything.
things. Yeah, at the same time.
And extra si quack.
Did you notice many Chinese burn incenses outside of their home? The reason is to pay respect to ancestors and deities, believing the smoke acts as a bridge between the earthly and spiritual realms. But sadly, the tradition of handmade incenses is slowly fading away over time. Today, we visit Mrs. Huong's shop, one of the few remaining places on the street where handmade incense is still crafted with care. Despite her age, her hands move with precise, quickly forming each stick of incense in seconds. Here, you'll find incenses of all sizes, even towering sticks as long as 1 meter long.
So Khoi, this one is like 1 meter long
Yeah, exactly.
incense. Yes.
Exactly.
What do they use these for?
They use it for big wishes, I assume. I think probably if you want to have like a normal house, you pray with normal incense.
Yes.
If you want a mansion, you have to probably go with this. Like, look at the size of this. She said that is gonna last for 4 to 5 hours.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Cool. And then I noticed the color, they
Yeah.
wrap it around like red wrap. So in Vietnamese and Chinese culture, red represents for luck, for good luck.
After getting the incense, we're heading to one of the most sacred Buddhist temples around the neighborhood, called Quan Âm Pagoda. People usually come here to pray for good health, good relationships, and prosperity.
Khoi, what are you gonna wish for?
Probably my health. And I wish for the sense of being realistic and setting up New Year resolutions.
Gotcha. Do you know what I'm gonna wish for?
Yeah? What you gonna wish
I
for?
wish for having other 50,000 wishes.
Oh, wow, look at you. You're
Is it
not
too
greedy at
greedy?
all. No, it's not greedy at all.
Is it good?
Yeah, I think it's
Okay.
good.
No trip to Chinatown is complete without visiting the traditional medicine street. We're here at Mỹ Đức Traditional Medicine Clinic, where you can get a holistic healing practice like acupuncture. To begin the session, we consulted with a traditional medicine doctor. She checked my pulse and she could see my energy levels, how I was sleeping, and even my emotional state. For Khoi, he'll be more adventurous. He'll try the acupuncture. This practice uses fine needles placed at specific pressure points to restore balance and energy in the body. Next, mild electrical stimulation enhances the effect, helping to improve blood circulation and release stress. Paired with traditional herbal medicine is a perfect way to recharge and reconnect with your body.
Where does it hurt?
It's not hurting.
Oh, okay. How do you feel right now?
I feel so relaxed.
The doctor mentioned some imbalances in my body's energy. She prescribed me with some traditional remedies called thuốc thang, a combination of licorice, jujube, goji berries, and many other herbs. To be honest, it was a bit mysterious, but it was clear that this was a nuanced practice built on centuries of knowledge.
Do I look 10 years younger than I was before?
Yes, and then like your aura.
Look at me. Magical.
Would you recommend people to try it?
I think it's very fun and interesting experience to at least try. Who doesn't like a good massage? Right?
Yeah, for sure. I'm very glad that he did it. Maybe I'm too chicken to try it. So maybe next time.
Next time, yeah.
In the next activity, we're gonna eat something refreshing. Do you want to try some chae?
I will try everything.
Okay.
I'm hungry, I'm a new one, I'm a young boy again, and I'm ready to eat.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Today is a hot day, so let's get some refreshing dessert that every Vietnamese loves. Chè is a sweet soup that is incredibly delicious, but here at Chè Ha Ki, a touch of Chinese influence will bring a whole new theme to the dish.
Khoi, are you eating miso soup? I see seaweed in here.
Kinda.
What is this dish called?
So this one is seaweed, longan, rong biển nhãn nhục.
Rong biển nhãn nhục.
Yeah.
Okay. Here I have one of the most popular Chinese-Vietnamese dessert. It's called đu đủ tiềm. So basically in here they have the papaya. What is this called?
Snow fungus.
Oh, wow. Okay. Let's see how it tastes.
Yeah, this is my personal favorite. You better love it or else we cannot be friends.
I just blow on the, the papaya. I was
But
Yum.
it's very sweet.
Very refreshing.
Yeah, of all of those dishes, it's more like to cool you down. After eating all of the oily food, all of the frying stuff, you have something that's refreshing enough.
Yep.
I would say this one would be good for your digestion as well.
I don't know, I just feel weird about like the fungus because I usually eat this in the soup, but I have never eaten it like sweet. So it's quite funny to me.
Yeah.
But I like the crunchy texture of it. Yeah, I mean like if I eat it multiple times.
You're gonna like it. Yeah.
Have you ever tried a whole boiled egg in sweet tea? This is hột gà cha, a one-of-a-kind Chinese dessert that literally describes what in the dish, an infused egg tea.
This is so weird. Okay, I'm quite scared.
You can do it.
It smells like flung cake, to be honest. It's not too bad.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but let's see how it tastes.
No, it's not good.
No, wait. We need to make a fair judgment. I mean, the broth is quite good though.
Yeah, it's sweet tea. It's refreshing as well.
Khoi, do you want to try?
No. I'm good for today.
Khoi, you're Chinese Vietnamese, so it's normal for you, right?
Yeah.
Just a little bit? Just a little bit? Okay.
I'll
Here.
try this part.
You can do it. You can do it.
Just throw off.
Because the egg is quite dry, to be
It's
honest.
so dry.
But to be honest, the tea is not very strong, though.
No.
No, it's not very strong.
No.
But you guys, you need to come here and try this. And then let me know in the comment down below how you like it. You know, because like everyone has different opinions. So.
Yeah.
Our final stop is Bánh Bao Duy Thịnh. When you come to Vietnam, the best foods are always hidden in a little alleyways like this, where you can find soft, fluffy dumplings handmade by Mrs. Lick, who has been making bao buns for decades. Every day, Her daughter, Mrs. Bing, helps prepare ingredients while others knead the dough and assemble the buns with nothing but a trusty 7-Up bottle. Every member plays a part in keeping this tradition alive. After a lifetime of hard work, Mrs. Lick reflects on her journey. She almost gave up during the COVID-19 after her husband passed away, but her loyal customers kept coming back, convincing her to keep going because the bao buns are such a big part of their childhood. Many have grown up with her bánh bao and find comfort in its familiar flavors.
Since she doesn't have the English menu, so now I'm gonna help you translate the Vietnamese menu. So the first one is chicken bao bun with quail egg and 1 egg yolk. So it's 25,000 Vietnam dong. And then the second type is the pork bao bun, 1 quail egg or 1 salted egg. You must try. And then the third one I heard is one of the most popular is sa siu char siu bao bun, which is 17,000 Vietnam dong. It's super affordable, right? And then the last one is ca dé, has custard inside and it's 13,000 Vietnam dong.
These buns are incredibly affordable and packed with love and flavor. Her dedication reminds us that food made with care is more than just a meal. It's a heartfelt connection, like the comforting, homemade dishes our grandmas used to make.
Cheers.
Oh my god, yours smells so good.
I know, right?
I can smell the mushroom from here.
That's why it's my favorite. This is my first favorite and this is my second favorite.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay,
Shall
yes. Very good.
we? It's so good.
Sweet, savory. The char siu is soft. I like how small it is because it's bite-sized.
It's not too bland. It's not too sweet.
True.
The dough has its own flavor. The filling has its own flavor.
Yeah,
So
so
oh my
good.
gosh, it's crazy. You like it?
Yes. Oh my god, sorry guys, but this is really good.
This is really good.
It's like buttery,
Yeah.
sweet, and it smells really, really good too.
Yeah, it's very fragrant. This one is family option. Give it to your baby, right? It's sweet, and then as a baby, this is my midnight snack.
This is your childhood, right?
My childhood.
And it's not too sweet, so it's very, very good. Try it. Khoi, I hope you're full. Are you full?
From 1 to 10, I'm at 12 at the moment.
Oh wow, that's a good sign, right?
Yeah.
So thank you so much for showing me all the hidden gems and all the local eat in the Chinatown. You really opened my eyes a lot. So thank you so much.
Oh, thank you for having me.
Guys, come here and support her. Thank you so much for watching. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell so you'll be notified for the next videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.